Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Coinbase wallet phrase. It's crucial to understand that your recovery phrase is the single, most important key to your digital assets. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody product, meaning only you have access to this 12-word phrase. If it's lost, Coinbase cannot help you regain access to your funds, making it safekeeping paramount for your financial security. Your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, is a unique series of 12 words generated when you initially create your Coinbase wallet. Think of it as the master password for your entire crypto portfolio within that wallet. This powerful phrase algorithmically creates your private keys and grants you, and only you, access to all your digital assets. It's what allows you to restore your wallet across various devices, ensuring portability and control. To recover your Coinbase wallet, begin by opening the Coinbase Wallet application on your device. Select the option that says, "I already have a wallet," then choose to restore with your recovery phrase. Carefully enter your 12-word recovery phrase, ensuring each word is spelled correctly and in the precise order it was originally given. After successfully entering the phrase, you will be prompted to create a new password to secure your newly restored wallet. Protecting your recovery phrase is paramount. The best practice is to write down your 12 words on paper and store them in a secure, offline location, away from digital vulnerabilities. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, including Coinbase support, as they will never ask for it. For enhanced security, consider keeping multiple copies in different, safe physical locations to guard against unforeseen events.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.